For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My name is Peter M. Lucas, and I served 20 years in the United States Marine Corps. I welcome you to my adventure from Marine to Meditations. I would like to invite you today to give yourself one moment of grace. This invitation is of course voluntary, but can be used as a doorway into making room for you. Your responsibilities may be important in the external world, but you also have a responsibility to make room for your internal well-being. I invite you to join me for 1 minute in a single breath of consciousness and gratitude to become present in this moment. Sit comfortably or lie flat on your back. For this period, for this moment, you can keep your eyes open or you may close them. Just bring your attention to the breath. Feel what moves. Simply connect with yourself. Feel what expands. Feel what contracts. Notice the sensations in your nostrils. Notice what happens in your diaphragm. And sit with this breath. At any moment that you feel overwhelmed with life, let this breath return you to this moment where you are completely at peace. Today, let's explore how to find your life's purpose. One day, a sage went for a walk in his garden. As he reached the center of the garden, he noticed a seeker writing in his journal. As the sage approached, the seeker stared at him in desperation. "Please, show me the way to my life's purpose," he asked the sage. "Despite my best efforts, I have been unable to locate it." "Your ordinary life is the way," replied the sage. Upon receiving such a seemingly simple response, the seeker picked up his journal to get more information. The details were crucial to him, and he was desperate to receive them. But the sage looked at him curiously and said, "When you try to write it down, you deviate. When you try to grasp it, when you try to hold it, when you try to force it, the moment you decide to ask someone else for permission, you deviate. You can't get advice from anyone on what you need to do with your life. Are you truly searching for your purpose? Or have you exported your well-being to an external agency? The reason why nobody can tell you the purpose to your life is because nobody knows. Nobody knows but you. You don't need to be improved. All that you need is already within you. I see you I love you, and I've got your back. Peace.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.